Hello, welcome to Sephra's World. My name is Sephra and this is my world. Now today we're going to do a writer's prompt using tarot cards. Now over the last few months I created my own tarot deck. It's very simple with just words and numbers and the suits on it because I am no artist whatsoever, as we can probably tell by how these tarot cards look. But the idea is I'll pull a card and then that can be your writing prompt. So you can either go off what the card looks like when I hold it up to you in my silly little drawings, or you can go into a deeper dive and Google the card and look at all the various tarot decks. So the card I'm picking for right now is Justice. So the Justice card is number 11 of what is called the Major Arcana, and those are the big picture cards. So that is your writing prompt using the tarot cards. So you can go Google what justice means to you and see what kind of information might spring to your mind and get you a story. And if you want to learn more about using tarot cards as writing prompts, I do have a course on Udemy called Write a Short Story Using Tarot Cards. And of course, you can use the same principles to write a novel, a screenplay, a poem, and so on. All right. And you'll find a coupon for my course at the bottom of this little writing prompt we just did. So your mission today is the Justice card from the tarot deck. Look at the imagery on the cards. Look at the color on the card, and on most decks there's a person on the card. That person may or may not make their way into your story. I'll hold up my own personal justice card one more time, but feel free to use any justice card at all. And if you do end up writing a story based on the justice card, I'd love to see it. So you could put a link to your story in the comments, or you can just email me. But I think it'd be fun if you do write a story and you post it on your blog or whatever. A story, poem, anything. You can write anything, a paragraph, a haiku. It would all love to see your work. Okay? So, Justice card is today's writing prompt for writing with tarot cards.